Aire Serv is the trusted name in the field of heating and cooling installation, maintenance, and repair. That's why you can breathe easy when you choose Aire Serv. Our licensed AC and heater repair professionals are available 24/7 with upfront pricing, no overtime charges, and our done right promise. We are here to ensure your home stays comfortable and the air you breathe is clean and healthy. We understand that your home is your haven and that your time is valuable. That's why we promise to get the job done right the first time, guaranteed. Give us a call whenever you need us, day or night. We will be here to help.